How to change the theme color in DuckDuckGo Browser. If you'd like to personalize DuckDuckGo Browser and give it a different look, you can easily change the browser's theme color from the settings menu. Let's go through it step by step. First, open DuckDuckGo Browser on your device. In the top right corner of the browser window, click the three horizontal lines menu icon. Once the menu opens, look for Settings and click it. Inside Settings, find the section called Appearance. In many versions of DuckDuckGo Browser, this section is identified by a color palette icon, making it easy to spot. Click Appearance to open the browser customization options. Here you'll find the available theme and color settings. The color settings should be instantly visible. Unlikely, but if it's different for you, look for options related to theme color or accent color. From the available color choices, choose the one you like best. Click your preferred color. As soon as you select a new color, DuckDuckGo Browser may preview the change immediately so you can see how it looks before continuing. The browser interface should now update with your new theme color. If you don't see the change right away, try closing and reopening the settings page. Changing the theme color is a quick way to personalize DuckDuckGo Browser and make your browsing experience feel more customized. That's how to change the theme color in DuckDuckGo Browser. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.